AMD just built a CPU specifically for AI agents, and it delivers more than double the performance of its predecessor. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, July 24th, 2026. In tech news today, AMD just launched its EPYC 9006 Venice CPUs, and these aren't general-purpose chips. They're built from the ground up for AI agents, which consume 1,000 times more tokens than a typical chatbot query. The result is a 2.2x performance gain over prior gen, and AMD now holds 46% of x86 server CPU revenue. The AI infrastructure race just got a serious new contender. Also from OpenAI, ChatGPT Health just opened up to every US adult on web and iOS. This isn't a niche product anymore. It's a mainstream health information tool landing in the hands of millions overnight. OpenAI is betting that people will turn to AI before they call their doctor. And that bet has massive implications for regulators, insurers, and the entire healthcare industry. Also from Microsoft, the company is pulling OpenAI's image models out of PowerPoint and Bing and replacing them with its own technology. The stated reasons are speed and cost. But read between the lines. Microsoft is quietly building AI independence from the very partner it helped fund. When you start replacing your partner's core product in your flagship apps, that's not a minor technical update. That's a strategy shift. In AI news today, Runway just launched its AI model router, a tool that automatically picks the best image, video, or audio generation model for whatever you're creating. As the generative media space gets more crowded by the week, Runway is betting that abstraction is the killer feature. Stop choosing between models. Let the router decide. It's an infrastructure play, and it could quietly become one of the most important tools in any creator's stack. In AI research news, a new study finds that workers who push back on AI outputs and direct the model critically outperform peers who simply hand tasks off. And here's the kicker. Skill levels were identical across both groups. The differentiator wasn't talent, it was mindset. Passive AI use isn't a productivity hack. Treating AI like a junior colleague you manage? That's where the real gains are. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AMD Venice CPU agentic workload potential in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.